It's a beautiful winter morning here in the Cotswolds. Gorgeous. Cold. Well, cold for us. It's about 34 degrees. Well, the old woodpecker is up early today. Busy. Just walking down the old railway line to take a photo of the tunnel of trees, which I have been taking all year round. Just seemed like a nice sunny morning to do that. There we are. I just think this little spot is beautiful, with the moss growing up the trees. Just hoping to be able to take a photo with some snow on these trees. Otherwise, I may need to resort to enhancement techniques. Oh well, that's it for today. Been listening to the news in my ears, all about Djokovic trying to scram his way into Australia. One rule for one, but we know all about that, don't we?